Hey, welcome to the channel App Tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can enable the dark mode on the Rednote app. So let's go ahead and start the video now. Open the Rednote app on your phone. To enable dark mode, it's quite easy. Click on the three lines on the top left-hand corner of the screen. As you can see settings on the bottom left, go ahead and tap on it and go to general settings. Right under general settings is dark mode. So you can see dark mode, go ahead and tap on it. There are two options, use device settings and dark mode. So if your setting is using dark mode by default, as soon as you tap on this button, it will automatically turn your phone into dark mode. So you can disable it, and as you can see the dark mode has now been enabled. So if you want to disable this, just go ahead and tap on it, and as you can see the white mode or the plain mode has been enabled. So it's quite easy to enable or disable the dark mode on the Rednote app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.